Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add eSIM to iPhone 17 Pro. To add eSIM to your iPhone 17 Pro, you would need to go to the settings, or if you're in the setup currently of your iPhone, you'll just be asked about adding the eSIM. But if you're post setup, you need to go to settings, then go to mobile service and click on setup mobile service. If you're in a region different than United States, then most likely you have one physical SIM card slot on your phone. So if you're already using a SIM card, a physical SIM card, then instead of setup mobile service here, you'll have your physical SIM card listed here, and if you want to add an eSIM, slide down and there will be a button that says add eSIM. But you just need to get to this point here. By the way, if you're using dual SIM, like two SIMs at once, then you can do it via either having one physical SIM and one eSIM, or two eSIMs without having any physical SIM. As long as you're not in United States, because in United States there's only one option, which is just eSIM. Now you can transfer from nearby iPhone, transfer from Android, or use QR code, and that's what I'm gonna do. A QR code will need to be generated by your carrier. So if your carrier supports eSIM, then you just need to visit them or contact them to get a QR code, right? Now I already have the QR code, as you can see right here, and when I click on scan QR code, I can simply scan it. Now it is scanned and it's adding it. So it may take a moment. I just need to click on continue to activate the eSIM. And now let's wait a moment. And after that, the eSIM will be added. By the way, you can store up to 8 eSIMs in your memory at once on your iPhone. But remember, I'm gonna turn on iMessage and FaceTime for this eSIM. Let's click on done. But remember, only 2 of them can be currently active, which means only 2 of them can be connected to the network, because there's just 2 antennas on your phone. And as you can see, there's all the things about the eSIM right here. If you wanted to add another one, you can click on add eSIM. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.